Dumelang Tubaka. Today I'm going to be talking about Mpumelelo and everything that happened to him. Remember, not so long ago it was alleged and now it is confirmed, guys, that it indeed did happen, that Mpumelelo Mseleku, he is Mr. Mseleku's son, who is Mayeni's son as well, has shot and axed a man in his homestead after the man came into their homestead and went to Mayeni's house looking for Utatu Mseleku, and the man was axed on the spot, I mean when he arrived in the homestead, by Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo had a because Mpumelelo owns a security company. This is now what's written in this article that I'm reading out for you. I'm unable to read it because it's written in Zulu. I'm going to make a lot of mistakes, but I'll just take snippets of it and then talk about it in English. What's basically being said here is this. Police are acknowledging the fact that there was in Mzumbe, in Utatu Mseleku's homestead on that day, particular day, and it's confirmed that Mpumelelo has a case to attend, and it's also confirmed that there are a lot of rumors around this story. And one of the rumors they mention on the article is that Utatu Mseleku's fifth wife is mentioned in the thing based on the fact that the guy might have came in looking for her, which is just an allegation. They are not also confirming it. They're just saying it is one of the stories that are going around based on the that happened at Mzumbe. So it continues to explain that Utatu Mseleku didn't want to speak on this. He said he wasn't there. He doesn't know anything. That's Utatu Mseleku for you. He will always run away from implicating people, especially on matters like this. And then the article continues to speak about Mpumelelo and the fact that he owns a security company. I think I've already mentioned that. Now, guys, the guy who was axed was 25 years old, very young, around Samke's age. Maybe that's why people see it fit to take Samke and put her in the equation, because some are saying he was there looking for her and stuff like that. As it is alleged that this man who came in, the intruder, was screaming for Utatu Mseleku's name when he got into the yard. And other people are so much applauding Mpumelelo, saying he did well by saving his family. And of course he did well. If I was in possession of such a firearm and people came into my home and tried to do funny stuff, I would definitely defend my family. So now, guys, it is confirmed. That's just basically what I'm trying to say. If you can go to this article and read yourself. It is right there on the screen. And also you can find it if you just go to Google as well. So it is just what it is. Mpumelelo has done this and now he has to face the law. We don't know what the law will say regarding this. We don't know how the magistrate is going to rule. And yeah, Utatu Mseleku doesn't want to say anything, implicate anyone, but we know that someone was axed and someone's child has been buried because of this incident. Well, guys, I had to update you because I did post on this, so that was just my update. Do let me know what you think in the comment section. I am so sorry that I couldn't read the article. I just didn't want to make the mess of it. Thank you so much for coming. I will see you on another one.